Alright. I'm going to throw the oil in the pot now. Go on hot, guy. I don't know. I like to hot to fry the fish now. Cold oil can't fry fish. The fish will stick up if the oil not hot. Alright. Oil going hot now. Yes, snapper them well fry and pretty and crispy. Yeah man, see fry plant pan side. Yeah man, please go to YouTube and type in Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack and subscribe and like and share, you know. So this red snapper going to cook some coconut sauce. Yeah man, coconut juice, we call it coconut sauce. See it here, so boiling up now. Give a preview. And look what I go on. Yeah man, that is coconut sauce, no? Yeah, so when you go down, going to put the fish them in it. See rice and peas here, so pal. Well shredded when I go down. Yeah. Coconut sauce fish, I see that. It's a bossy red snapper, yeah man, and the coconut juice, so we call it coconut sauce. Well spicy and nice, you know? Delicious. Take a preview rice and peas pot. Well shredded down. A lumberjack man. Please go to YouTube and type in Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. 7-time rise, no believe in I falling thing. Big up Father God first and everything. Dinner time. Dinner time. Rice and peas, let's see, fried plantains, see coconut fish there. Call it coconut sauce. Well, this menu take 2 hours to prepare everything. Grate the coconut, season up and cook and pressure the peas. So, alright, so please go to YouTube and type in Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. Subscribe, like, and share and comment.